Welcome back to Beautyistic. Today, I'm diving into a product that promises high-impact color and incredible longevity. Maybelline's Super Stay Matte Ink Liquid Lipstick in the stunning shade Exhilarator. This ruby red lipstick is designed to deliver a flawlessly matte finish with up to 16 hours of wear. Let's explore everything this lipstick has to offer. Starting with the product itself, the Super Stay Matte Ink range is renowned for its iconic longwear formula. In Exhilarator, you get a true ruby red shade that packs an intense punch of color, perfect for making a statement. The formula is smudge-free and transfer-resistant, locking in vibrant color from the moment you apply it. It doesn't budge through meals, drinks, or daily wear. The arrow-shaped applicator is designed for precision, so achieving a crisp, defined lip line is effortless. One swipe and you're set for the day or night. In terms of usage experience, I found this lipstick incredibly easy to apply. The formula is smooth and the arrow tip applicator glides effortlessly, ensuring you can sculpt and shape your lips with ease. While some matte lipsticks can feel dry or uncomfortable after a few hours, Maybelline's Super Stay Matte Ink stays comfortable, although it can feel a bit sticky initially. However, that tackiness disappears after a short while, leaving behind a soft, comfortable matte finish. When it comes to performance, this lipstick excels. I tested it during a busy day that included meals, drinks, and lots of conversation. The color remained vibrant and did not fade or smear. However, like many longwear lipsticks, it does require a bit of effort to remove completely at the end of the day. Maybelline's Super Stay Eraser comes in handy for this, making removal easier without tugging at your lips. Now, onto the pros and cons. For the pros, the standout feature is definitely the long-lasting wear. You won't have to worry about touch-ups even if you're wearing it for hours. The pigmentation is also fantastic, delivering bold, high-impact color with just one coat. On the cons side, while the formula is long-wearing, it may feel slightly drying over time, particularly for those with sensitive lips. Also, some may find the initial tackiness off-putting, although this sensation fades as it sets. Let's talk about comparisons. There are other longwear liquid lipsticks on the market, but Maybelline Super Stay Matte Ink holds its own in terms of staying power and pigment. Compared to L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte Liquid Lipstick, Maybelline offers a more intense matte finish and a wider range of bold shades, but L'Oreal's formula feels slightly lighter on the lips. In terms of value for money, Maybelline's Super Stay Matte Ink is an absolute steal. For its affordable price point, the quality you're getting rivals that of high-end lipsticks. Its build quality is solid. The packaging is sleek and durable, with a secure cap that prevents any unwanted spills in your bag. For those wondering about user-friendliness, this lipstick is easy to use, even for beginners. The precision applicator makes it simple to get a flawless look without needing a lip liner. If you're someone who's always on the go and needs a lip color that stays put, this is an excellent choice. Midway through the review, I want to take a moment to remind you. If you're enjoying this review, hit that like button, subscribe, and don't forget to click the bell icon so you never miss another beauty tip or product review here on Beautyistic. Now, who is this product best for? If you love bold, matte lips that last through anything, Maybelline's Super Stay Matte Ink is definitely for you. Whether you're a professional needing something long-lasting for the office, or someone attending events where you want your makeup to stay flawless, this is a fantastic option. In conclusion, Maybelline Super Stay Matte Ink Liquid Lipstick in Exhilarator delivers on its promises of intense color and long-lasting wear. It's perfect for anyone looking for a matte lipstick that doesn't quit. While it may have a few minor drawbacks, like initial stickiness and a slightly drying feel after many hours, the pros far outweigh the cons. Thanks for watching Beautyistic. You can find the link to grab this product in the description box below. If you have any questions or already own this lipstick, drop a comment and let me know your thoughts.